Dear students, I welcome you all to this digital electronics tutorial series. In this video, we will learn about one of the most important theorem, that is the distribution theorem. So what do we understand by the distribution theorem, how it will be applicable in solving the Boolean expressions or minimizing the Boolean expression? We will understand it with one example. Okay, so first of all, let us understand what is distribution theorem. Suppose if we have A plus B in product of some expression with A plus C. Okay, this is one expression. We can write it as A plus BC. This is called as the distribution theorem. I am not going to prove this theorem, but with one example we will understand how we can use this theorem. So here we can see that in the first and the second max term we can see A and A. Here we have common, and this is B is another and C is a different variable. Okay, so we can number it. Suppose if we number A as 1, so B as number 2 and C as number 3. So what we can understand, we are writing 1 plus 2 multiplied with 3. Is it okay? So we have 1 in common and we have the expression A plus BC using this theorem. So let us take one example so that we can understand it easily. The motive of this example is how we can use distribution theorem, or we will understand how we can use distribution theorem for solving given Boolean expression, or we can minimize the Boolean expression using the distribution theorem. Okay, so in this example, given product of some expression, I hope you are familiar with the sum of product and product of some expression. Here in the theorem itself, you can see this is a POS expression, product of some expression, and in the right hand side we have sum of product expression, because say B and C, these are multiplied, this is a product expression, and A, this is a variable, and here on the left hand side we have this is a sum and this is another sum, and we have the product. So it is called as the product of some expression. Let us minimize using the given theorem. Using this distribution theorem we can minimize it. So I have already explained that this is suppose number 1, 2, okay, this is 3, this A is number 1. Okay, I am giving some numbering. So here also I will do the same. Suppose B bar and B bar in the first two sum expression, here B bar and B bar, these are the common term. Okay, now let us number it as 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, similarly in this expression also we can consider B is common, so 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so using this theorem, how we can minimize it now? You need not to write this 1, 2, 3 while solving the equation or solving the Boolean expression. You need not to write this. For understanding purpose, I am writing here or numbering here with 1, 2 and 3. So from this first two product expression, we can write it as B bar is common. So B bar plus A into A bar. A bar, because see A plus B in multiplied with A plus C, we can write it as A plus BC. So this will be one expression, and this expression is multiplied with the second term. Now let me remove these parts. Okay, now in the second term here you can see we can write it as 1 plus 2, 3. So we can write B plus this A bar, A bar. Okay, so in digital electronics we have so many theorems. I will explain one by one each of them with example how we can apply it. Okay, now let us write here B bar plus, what will happen, B bar plus A bar. A bar means it is 0. Okay, similarly B plus A bar means it is 0. So we can write it as B bar multiplied with B. Again B bar multiplied with B, it will be 0. So we have minimized or we have simplified this given expression using this distribution theorem. Otherwise, what we have to do, we have to multiply each and every term, then we have to cancel out every term, so it will be a lengthy process. If we know this distribution theorem, we can easily solve this problem. So this much for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.